The pursuit of perfection begins at the source, where specialized maize kernels, uniquely suited for high-volume popping.
Harvest season deploys powerful machinery to gather the premium kernels, ensuring optimal maturity and moisture content for maximum expansion. Initial quality assessment focuses on precise moisture levels. Too dry and the kernels will shatter. Too wet and they will fail to pop correctly. Timely transfer is essential to preserve the intrinsic quality of the crop, minimizing degradation before primary processing begins. Pneumatic transfer systems gently move the delicate kernels indoors, preventing physical damage and maintaining sanitary conditions. Within the clean room, the kernels pass through multi-level vibrating screens, categorizing the product by size and density. The sophisticated decobbing process ensures total separation, mechanically eliminating all remaining stalk fragments and unwanted plant material. A powerful aspiration current efficiently removes lighter hull fragments and dust, further enhancing the purity of the kernel supply. High-speed optical sorters utilize sophisticated vision systems to instantaneously reject any imperfect kernels, ensuring a flawless visual standard. A final cold water wash removes surface microcontaminants, a critical step in achieving the mandated level of aseptic readiness.
High-velocity, sterile hot air immediately dries the washed kernels, preventing unwanted moisture fluctuation before stabilization.
Uniformity is key. Only kernels within a specific size tolerance proceed, guaranteeing consistent popping characteristics later in the line.
Engineers fine-tune the hydration parameters, a crucial step to maximize the popping volume and achieve the desired fluffy texture. The precise microdosing of ultra-pure steam ensures the optimal internal moisture level is achieved through gentle, controlled absorption.
Laser-guided temperature monitoring maintains the steady state within the chambers, ensuring a uniform hydration across the entire batch.
The optimally hydrated kernels possess a refined structural integrity, perfectly primed for the thermal expansion that lies ahead.
Microscopic analysis confirms the dense starch structure remains intact, verifying the kernel's maximum potential for volumetric expansion.
Industrial-grade magnetic separators eliminate any ferrous particulates, guaranteeing the utmost product safety and system protection.
The kernels are now metered into precise batches, ready to meet the thermal energy required for instantaneous transformation. Meanwhile, the proprietary popping oil, often high-grade clarified butter oil, is preheated and piped to the popping chambers. Digital sign-off on hydration metrics ensures full compliance, allowing the validated kernels to proceed to the pressurized popping section. Controlled volumetric dosing ensures the perfect ratio of oil to kernels, which is critical for flavor dispersion and heat transfer. A gentle premixture coats each kernel, preparing it for the shock of extreme temperature that is about to follow.
The prepared kernels enter the industrial popper, a continuous flow system designed for peak thermal efficiency and rapid conversion. Internal pressure gauges confirm the supercritical conditions required for the instantaneous, homogeneous vaporization of internal moisture.
In a kinetic ballet, the kernels simultaneously yield to the internal steam pressure, achieving maximum expansion volume in milliseconds.
Thermal mapping ensures an absolute isotherm is maintained, guaranteeing that every kernel pops perfectly without burning or underprocessing.
The spent hulls are immediately separated via a vibrating screen, ensuring the finished popcorn is light and free of unwanted residue.
A continuous stream of freshly popped corn emerges, a testament to the controlled kinetic energy conversion within the sealed chambers. A sophisticated air sifting stage employs density differentials to meticulously isolate and remove any unpopped kernel.
Temperature uniformity is paramount. Precision infrared sensing ensures the thermal environment remains perfectly consistent across the entire system.
Air conveyance systems gently lift and transport the delicate flakes, simultaneously initiating the cooling process to halt residual cooking.
Filtered, chilled air is directed across the popcorn, rapidly reducing the temperature while maintaining the structural integrity of the popped kernels.
Subtle force sensors continuously measure the product's compressive strength, providing a vital index of texture and desired final crispness.
Next, the light and airy popcorn is routed toward the flavor infusion stage, where the proprietary taste profile is achieved.
The rich, refined butter base is precisely metered into the formulation tank, creating the foundation for the signature cinema flavor. The proprietary dry flavorings, sourced from specialized vendors,
are introduced via an automated, dust-free bag breaking system.
High shear agitation ensures complete emulsification of the flavor components, creating a stable, perfectly uniform seasoning liquid.
High atomization spray nozzles apply the specialized butter flavoring uniformly across the vast surface area of the popcorn flakes.
The continuous, gentle rotation of the stainless steel drum ensures a homogeneous coating, essential for consistency in every single bite.
Spectrophotometric analysis guarantees the chromatic consistency and concentration of the flavor blend, vital for batch-to-batch reliability.
The liquid seasoning undergoes microfiltration, ensuring maximum purity and sterility before application to the finished popcorn.
Simultaneously, the precise measure of dry, complex seasoning powder is introduced, adhering to the moist, butter-flavored surface. A robotic sampling arm extracts a continuous process stream aliquot for immediate, non-contact evaluation of coating uniformity. The high kinetic energy mixing process perfectly binds the complex flavor matrix to the popped corn, locking in the signature taste.
A rapid, low-temperature flash drying cycle is initiated post-seasoning, permanently setting the flavor coating and preserving the structural crispness.
Tasting panels confirm the flavor profile meets the exact specifications, while adhesion tests guarantee the seasoning will remain secure.
This final staging area controls the flow of the finished product into the high-speed volumetric fillers.
Laser-guided sensors continuously monitor the bulk density, ensuring the correct weight is achieved without compromising the airy volume.
Digital displays confirm the active production recipe, verifying that all constituent flavor components are being introduced at the specified metric ratios. Microdosing channels introduce liquid flavor enhancers in parts per million quantities, providing the final, nuanced layer of taste complexity.
A brief, enclosed journey protects the delicate product from ambient contamination and temperature fluctuations before sealing.
The final convection drying stage removes any surface trace moisture, achieving the highly desired, long-lasting textural sharpness.
Visual confirmation via highly visible indicators provides instant feedback on the operational status of the complex machinery.
An air knife system employs a sheet of pressurized, sterile air to gently clear any fine dust or fragmented popcorn pieces just prior to the filler.
The specialized film, featuring multiple barrier layers, is fed into the VFFS machine, ready to be formed into airtight packages.
Through precise folding and sealing mechanisms, the flat film is instantly transformed into the required tubular structure.
High-pressure thermal jaws create an instantaneous, hermetic seal, safeguarding the freshness and crunch of the product within.
The multi-head weigher uses probabilistic algorithms to dispense the exact target weight, minimizing product giveaway. Once filled, the packages move swiftly to the final sealing phase, permanently trapping the delicate product within a clean atmosphere.
Nitrogen gas displacement is essential. It purges residual oxygen, vastly extending the product's shelf stability and preventing oxidation. Each individual package is perfectly sealed, a testament to the aseptic precision required in modern snack packaging.
The fully sealed units begin their journey towards secondary packaging and final quality checks.
Every single package must pass through the high-sensitivity metal detection system, an absolute safeguard against foreign material contamination.
Clear indicators confirm system integrity. The green light signifies a successful, contamination-free passage. High-speed dynamic weighers verify that the net weight of the sealed product remains within the extremely tight operational tolerance. Any unit falling outside the acceptable weight range is instantaneously and non-destructively diverted from the main production flow.
Real-time coding applies critical traceability data to each package, enabling instant recall capability if ever required.
The clarity and permanence of the printed code are manually verified, ensuring data remains legible throughout the product lifecycle.
A subtle vacuum drawdown maximizes carton filling density while maintaining the product's delicate structure.
A slight vibration aligns the packages, preparing them for robotic aggregation and crating. Human operators maintain command of the complex automated infrastructure, proactively monitoring system performance and material supply. High-speed Delta robots precisely pick and place the individual bags, arranging them into predefined secondary grouping configurations.
The robotic end-of-arm tooling is designed for gentle yet rapid handling, minimizing any potential compression or damage to the contents.
Groups of product are seamlessly inserted into the awaiting corrugated containers, initiating the secondary packaging phase.
Automated case sealing applies a robust, tamper-evident adhesive tape, securing the product for bulk distribution.
The completed shipping cases emerge, bearing a clear visual identity and vital logistical information. Case labels, containing high-resolution linear and 2D barcodes, are precisely applied for inventory tracking and warehouse automation. The robotic palletizer takes command, organizing the individual shipping cases into structurally stable, multi-layer stack patterns. Using vacuum or clamp technology, the robotic arm places each tier with sub-millimeter accuracy, optimizing stability for transport. Engineers monitor the stacking algorithm, ensuring the final pallet structure adheres to stringent internal safety and shipping standards. The fully built pallet moves to the automated wrapping station for stabilization against the rigors of global transit. The high-tensile stretch film is applied under precise tension, unitizing the load and providing a vital barrier against moisture and dust. A final thermal seal ensures the film is securely bonded, preventing any unraveling during high-velocity material handling.
The unitized product is now gently transferred to the climate-controlled storage environment, ready for inventory management.
Within the vast, temperature-regulated high bay warehouse, hundreds of pallets await final dispatch, cataloged by advanced inventory systems. Retrieval cranes manage the colossal inventory, locating and accessing product with machine precision and zero human error.
Fixed mount scanners capture the case-level data, seamlessly updating the warehouse management system with every movement. Post-packaging stability tests confirm the shelf life under various simulated environmental conditions, verifying product integrity.
Submersion leak tests confirm the absolute hermeticity of the seals, ensuring the vital nitrogen barrier remains intact over time.
Objective measurement of textural attributes quantifies the perfect crunch that consumers expect from premium cinema popcorn.
Process engineers continuously review the data logs, seeking marginal gains in efficiency and quality across the entire thermal operation. Inline sensor technology provides continuous, real-time measurements of viscosity, temperature, and flow rate for the liquid ingredients.
Advanced X-ray scanners offer a final, non-destructive inspection, capable of detecting even microscopic foreign objects.
Randomized sampling validates the finished product's weight, seal integrity, and visual presentation before final release. Specialized thermal containment cases are used for high-end shipments, guaranteeing environmental stability until delivery.
International logistics are planned to the minute, ensuring the perishable components of the product are protected globally.
The final security seal ensures the integrity of the shipment remains inviolate from the factory door to the destination port.
From the controlled environment of the factory, the packaged product begins its final leg, destined for global consumption points. Efficient, high-speed road networks are the arteries of global food distribution, enabling rapid market penetration. At the distribution hub, rapid and precise inventory rotation minimizes warehousing time, pushing product quickly to the consumer. Material handlers use advanced mapping systems to place inbound inventory at the most optimal location for immediate outbound movement.
Large, unitary loads are broken down into smaller, bespoke orders, tailored to the specific needs of individual cinema complexes.
Manual verification ensures that the contents of the final consignment perfectly match the digital order manifest. Dedicated last-mile logistics ensure timely and safe delivery from the distribution center directly to the point of sale. The specialized delivery vehicle arrives at its destination, completing the long journey from farm field to final venue.
Theater personnel receive the fresh product, verifying the integrity of the packaging before transferring it to their internal storage. The secure, temperature-controlled staging area within the cinema complex maintains the product's optimal conditions. This final preparatory step introduces the precisely formulated product to the theater's dedicated popping equipment.
In a final, controlled explosion, the pre-mixed ingredients are transformed into the hot, signature popcorn served to patrons.
The freshly popped, aromatic product is rapidly dispensed into branded consumer containers, maximizing heat retention. The iconic treat is presented at the concession stand,
the culmination of a rigorous, high-precision industrial journey.
For the consumer, this is the final sensory experience, connecting the high-tech factory process to the moment of enjoyment.
The perfect balance of crunch, salt, and rich butter flavor is the ultimate measure of the entire manufacturing system's success. Back at the factory, the continuous cleaning cycle removes all spent material, ensuring zero carryover contamination between batches.
High-efficiency particulate air filtration maintains the sterile environment, a constant vigilance against airborne contaminants.
Scheduled sanitation protocols are executed with meticulous precision, adhering to the most stringent global hygiene standards.
Ultraviolet sterilization provides a chemical-free method of microbial control across critical contact surfaces.
Centralized data systems aggregate thousands of data points, creating a live, digital twin of the entire production pipeline.
Deep dive analytics pinpoint any process variances, enabling predictive maintenance and preemptive quality correction.
Within the logistical backbone, complex conveyor systems automatically sort and route shipments based on sophisticated algorithms.
The sterile, reflective surfaces of the processing equipment confirm the continuous commitment to impeccable hygiene.
Rigorous preventative maintenance schedules ensure near zero unplanned downtime across the entire production assembly.
Key performance indicators, such as popping efficiency, are monitored in real time, driving process optimization.
The product's presence in retail showcases the wide distribution footprint beyond the immediate cinema complex.
Consumer engagement is the ultimate validation of the quality and branding strategy deployed throughout the operation.
This high-tech manufacturing nexus stands as a model for precision, scale, and uncompromising quality. The final packaging bears the mark of quality, representing the culmination of every precise step taken within the factory walls.
Even during standby, the system's readiness is maintained, a silent vigilance protecting the complex, proprietary production knowledge.
The perfect popped kernel, airy, flavored, and structurally sound, is the miniature masterpiece of industrial food engineering. As the sun rises, the facility stands ready for the next cycle, perpetuating the high-volume supply of a worldwide cinematic staple.
The fluid dynamics of the specialized butter oil are precisely governed, ensuring consistent application across the massive product flow.
Critical pressure checks confirm the integrity of the pneumatic transport lines, vital for moving the delicate popped corn without damage.
The complex sequence of folding and securing corrugated material demonstrates the dexterity of the robotic packaging line.
Traceability is encapsulated in the barcode. A simple scan instantly connects the final product to its entire manufacturing history.
The continuous cycle of production never truly rests, an unbroken chain of supply meeting the relentless global demand for quality snack food. Automated clean-in-place systems employ robotic spray arms to deliver calibrated sanitization solutions, minimizing manual contact.
The main control array provides a real-time visual index of system performance, affirming the seamless functionality of the entire operation.
Three-dimensional volumetric scanners measure the flake size distribution, ensuring a consistently large, consumer-preferred popcorn piece.
The final security seal ensures the integrity of the shipment remains inviolate, from the factory door to the destination port.